Hi, Tim Unkert here, and in this video we're going to use some if, else statements in C++ to create a simple program that where a student can enter their grade numerically and then we'll give the letter grade back. Okay, so let's get started. So I'm just going to include input-output stream and string, and we're going to be using the namespace std standard. With that, again, you don't necessarily want to just throw in the whole namespace, but for the interest of time in making this video, I'm going to do that. Okay, so we're going to make a function prototype, so I'm just making a little comment here. And I'm going to call this string letter grade. And we're going to take in a double, which is the numerical grade. Okay, and then let's do the function instructions. And so again, string letter grade, take in the double grade. Okay, and we're going to have a string which I'm going to call, let's call it let gray, and then we'll start with our if, if, else statements. Okay, so we're going to say if the grade is less than 60, well, then they're going to get an F. So we'll say that, let's see out. We'll say that the let gray variable equals you got an F. Okay. Now we can use these else if statements. Okay. So, and we probably should give a condition. So we do have to give a condition. So we're going to say the grade is greater than or equal to 60 and the grade is less than 70. Okay, so if that's the case, let gray is going to equal to you got a D. Okay, close that out. We'll have else if, and the grade, if that's greater than or equal to a 70 and the grade is less than an 80, then we're going to say let gray equals you got a C. Okay, and then else if the grade is greater than or equal to an 80 and the grade is less than a 90, then we're going to say that let gray equals you got a B. Okay, and then finally we'll just say else, because anything else is going to be above a 90, so let grade is going to equal to you got an A. Okay, and then we'll close that out. We're going to return let gray, that variable, and that's going to end our function. And we're going to call it from the main function. The main function is just going to return 0. The main function, we're going to have the double, which is the grade, which we'll get from the user in a moment, and a string, which is, let's call it the grade output. Okay, which we'll set the function to in a moment. So we're going to say cout, what is your numerical grade? And then cin, that's going to let the user enter the grade. And then we're going to say that the grade output equals the function which we called letter grade, which we were passing in the grade. Okay, and then finally we want to output the grade output, and we'll just whoops, putting these the wrong way. Grade output, and then we just want to end the line. Okay, and we'll save that, and then let's compile that. So I call this if else if.cp++. Okay, so we've compiled it. All right, and now let's pull up a terminal here and run it. So I'm going to change into C++, YouTube, and then let's make this a little bigger so you can see it. Okay, and we'll just run it with this command. Okay, what is your numerical grade? Let's say I got a 45. Well, you got an F. Okay, let's say I got a 60. Well, I got a D. Okay, just passed. If I have a 72, I got a C. If I have an 88, you got a B. And let's say I have a 99, well, you got an A. All right, so that's a way to use if-else statements in C++. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, as it really helps the channel grow. And thank you for watching, and have a great day.